everyone, it's Crochet by Beb. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing fine today. For today's video, we're going to unbox my package from Knitterspride or KnitPro. These are from KnitPro International, and let's try them out. Knitterspride contacted me if I would like to try their products, and I choose this product. So let's open first. Alright, so here it is, wrapped and with plastic. So let's open. As you can see from the title, I've got the set of Tunisian crochet hook, and this is going to be my first time of having a Tunisian crochet hook, and I don't have any others to compare with except my regular crochet hooks, and this is going to be my first impressions. So here I've got the Knitterspride Ginger interchangeable Tunisian Afghan crochet hook set with this luxurious vegan leather case and stain finish laminated with crochet hooks. So they are produced in India. So here it is. This is the leather case. I really like it. The colors are so nice. So this is how it look like, the case. So let's remove this. So these are the hooks. It comes with 1 pen and 12 sizes of the Tunisian crochet hooks. Let's take one and look. So it's laminated wood. As you can see, it's very shiny and smooth feeling. And the sizes are imprinted, laser imprinted. As you can hear. The sizes are in US size. As you can see, they're imprint with the US size. Only the bigger one has the metric size. This 12 millimeter. So the rest, they have the US size imprinted in the hook. So this is the pen. Let's try it. Comes with blue ink. The back of the leather case is magnetic, and this serves as the pattern holder. So for example, this is your pattern. You can hold it with the magnets and this. And you can move this while you are adjusting or when you are doing your rows. Now let's open the packet. So the packet comes with this. There's some instructions how to insert the cables and using end caps. So it comes with 4 cables or 4 cords, one 24 inches or 60 centimeter. So this. And 132 inches or 80 centimeters, and 240 inches or 100 centimeters. Comes also with 8 end caps. This. Let's open one. This is the end cap. So there are 8 of this and 4 cord keys. The cord keys is this. So 4 cord keys, 8 end caps, and 1 set of cord connectors. This is cord connectors, and 20 colorful stitch markers. Okay, let's see once more the hooks. So this is how they look like. They are imprinted with their US sizes. In metric size, it's the smallest is 3.5 millimeter hook, then 3.75, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 8, 9, 10, and 12 millimeter hook. Unfortunately, they don't have imprinted the metric size. I prefer using the metric size with my hook, but it's alright. We can use to it by looking their US sizes. Alright, let's try the cables. So these are the end caps and one cord key. So let's try to put one. So this bigger one, we just screw here. So using the cord key, insert here, there is a little hole in there. Insert your key to tighten your cable into the hook. And here you can put the end caps. It's like that, and you can now use your Tunisian hook. So if you are working of a very long project, you can use the longer one or you can use the smaller one. Oh, I was wrong. There are two 32 inches or the 80 centimeters cable and only one 40 inches or the 100 centimeters, which is this. So there are two 32 inches cords or cable and one 24 inches or the 60 centimeters. Then if you would like to remove it or change hook, you can use your cord key again to remove your hook, and we can try this bigger one. You can use your cord key to tighten and you're ready to go. Now let's try them to use, how they perform. I made a small swatch. This is the Tunisian knit stitch. So I will try in here a few more rows. So this is how it performed the hook. So it slides smooth my yarn. If you have a wider project, you can squeeze your yarn or your stitches in the cable, and the end caps, it will stop your stitches from falling out. Now my cable is not very useful because I'm just making this small swatch, not too wide. So but if you have a wider, or if you are making a blanket, you can squeeze your stitches in your cable. If you need more longer cable, you can connect your other cable using the cable connectors. This one, you can remove your end cap here, and then using the connector, put here, screw it. Use your cord key to tighten up your connector into the cable, and now put this to connect here. And now you have longer cables. So that's the use of the cable connector. You can connect the other cables just to make a very long cables. You can see it's very long now. And you can put here your end cap. And now you have your long cable. So that's how to use the cable connector. Back in my stitches, so this is the Tunisian knit stitch. So I'm not making a tutorial here how to do this, but if you would like me to make a tutorial how to do this stitch, you can comment down below, so maybe I can make a quick one just to show you how to do this stitch. It's a very nice stitch. I like how it mimic the knit stitch, as you can see. But this is Tunisian knit stitch using our Tunisian hook. And this is the back. It's also like the pearl stitch with those bump created here at the back of your knit stitch. The fabric, it's a bit thicker than the normal knit stitch, but maybe because I also use a chunky yarn here. But yeah, it's very nice how it mimic the knit stitch using the Tunisian hook. Alright, so let me know if you would like me to make a Tunisian stitch pattern using our Knitterspride Ginger interchangeable Tunisian hooks. Thank you very much KnitPro International for gifting this set. I really appreciate it. And thank you everyone for joining me unboxing this. Hope to see you again next time. Happy crochet everyone. Bye!